In this video, I'll walk you through the process of setting Roblox to high performance. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Setting Roblox to high performance prioritizes the game's graphics and processing power, improving visual quality and gameplay smoothness. This ensures a better overall gaming experience, especially for more demanding games or devices. To adjust your settings for improved performance while playing Roblox, begin by accessing the game mode settings on your laptop or PC. First, open the Start menu and type Game Mode Settings in the search bar. Once the search results appear, click on the Game Mode Settings option to open the settings window. You'll now see a screen titled Game Mode Settings. From here, locate and select the Graphics option. This will navigate you to the Graphics tab, which is located under the System and Display sections. Once you're on the graphics page, scroll down slightly until you find the Roblox Game Client option in the list. When you spot it, click on it to reveal additional settings. Under the options available for the Roblox Game Client, you will notice a setting called GPU Preference. Next to this setting, there is a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down arrow, and a list of options will appear. Change the setting from Default to High Performance to ensure your system prioritizes the most powerful GPU available for Roblox. Once you've made this change, you're all set. With the High Performance GPU selected, you can now enjoy a smoother and more responsive gaming experience while playing Roblox. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.